Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, tēnā koutou katoa. Kei ngā mana whenua o tēnei rohe, te ati awa, taranaki whānui, Ngāti Toa Rangatira, tēnā koutou. Sione's dad drops him off to school each day. Sione's whānau expect him to be safe and enjoying learning. Unfortunately, this is sometimes not the experience of learners and their whānau. Our Te Maho staff have a role to support the education sector to help keep Sione safe and well educated. We do this as part of our regulator role. Here in Aotearoa, there are over 1 million learners, all connected to whānau and communities. They're enrolled in over 7,000 places of learning, and we have 35 Te Maho regional offices. We know our work is important to nurture our young generation, the leaders of the future. Poi poi ai ngā mokopuna, ngā rangatira mō āpōpō. We came together as a team to do some work on becoming a modern regulator. We gathered and listened to 28 specialists and a number of organisations. We discovered a lot of good work is happening, and there is some really good practice in pockets of really great work we can learn from. What we learned was the term modern regulator is not well understood. We learned our staff are juggling many hats, and they need to balance relationships, building trust, as well as ensuring the rules are followed. We're also kāwanatanga. We need to support Māori to have te tino rangatiratanga in instances where they should, to support ōritetanga equity.
From everything we learned, it was clear 3 immediate changes need to happen. Modernising tools and supports for information sharing, training, and demystifying how to give practical effect to te reti o Waitangi. Clarifying everyone's roles and responsibilities, and growing a culture of modern regulation, connecting with others. We chose to test one possible solution. We digitalised an important form that was paper-based and focuses on preventing harm in early learning services. We had 3 rounds of testing and with 15 staff, each helped us to improve the tool. But the goal wasn't just to go digital. It needed to help our staff reflect on their practice and access support. The tool prompted staff to give practical effect to te tiriti by directing them to our Cultural Capability app and getting them to consider their cultural bias. The tool modernised an existing form by going digital and having features such as being able to upload photos and voice recordings. The tool supported greater information sharing by staff having access online, having links to case studies and guidance, and the ability to collaborate with early learning services. Our staff were excited and wanted to engage in something new. They thought that this would help with their mahi. This journey has shown us what is possible. We've got some great buy-in from our leaders who've asked us to set out a roadmap to ensure that this important mahi continues. Getting this right will mean that all learners in Aotearoa will have a better chance at learning that is safe, inclusive, and equitable. Poi poi a ngā mokopuna ngā rangatira mō āpōpō.